Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of August 2026. It's about the specific person on your mind, detailed reading, like it's a 10 card spread. And please keep in mind this is general, this might or might not resonate. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Master Class 2, links are given below. So let's start. Aquarius, let's see the specific person on your mind, their current energies towards this connection, or you can say overall energetic state regarding this connection. A specific person on your mind, their current energies regarding this connection. I just hope I'm keeping the deck right. We have the Four of Pentacles. This person is holding on to this connection because it seems like something that's very very important for them. At the same time, there are so many things that they are keeping to themselves because they want to protect this situation, they want to protect this bond, and it's important for them to keep this connection going, keep this situation going. Especially if you guys are working together, like your finances are attached in some way, or there is something between you guys that they cannot let go of, and they're somehow dependent on you in some way. Hmm? So they energetically, this person is holding on to this connection for dear life because it seems very very important for them. Let's see the specific person on your mind, Aquarius, what they feel for you, what are their feelings for you right now at this present moment. Knight of Pentacles. They're feeling like they're stuck in the situation, not stuck in a bad way. They're feeling like things are really very, very slow between you guys, or things have stopped. Things are not moving forward. They're not going back. They're not moving forward. Things are just stuck in a uh, way, right? And everything has slowed down, or everything you're planning is getting delayed. So they're feeling a sense of stuckness in the situation, but very grounded too. Like this situation makes them feel quite stable, quite secure. Okay, they are not like, okay, if things are not moving forward fastly, this situation is not important for them, or they're taking it as a failed relationship or something like that. Let's see what this person think about you. What are their conscious energies towards you, like. Let's see the specific person on your mind, Aquarius, what they think about you. Okay, come here, come here, come here. Let's see the specific person on your mind, what they think about you. Okay, they're thinking about this situation about you. They think like this situation is almost energetically dead, or it has shifted to a totally different version for from what they have anticipated from this connection, from this bond. This situation is not the same as it used to be, and they think like this is never going to be the same ever in this lifetime. Something have shifted, something have changed, and it is a permanent kind of a shift or permanent kind of a change in this dynamics between you and them. This is what they are thinking about you on a conscious level. Let's see what they want to say to you, but they are not saying to you. Let's see, Aquarius, what this person wants to talk to you about, but they are not saying it to you. We have the Seven of Swords. there is some kind of secret, there is some kind of they might have done something behind your back, and they want to talk to you about that, they want to speak to you about that, but they are not doing it. Now it can be a very simple thing of lying for a very simple thing, right? Let's say if you're going to ask them, for example, if you are going to ask them uh, about coffee or tea, and did you had coffee or did you had tea in the morning, and they might say they had something else, but they had coffee or tea. Anyways, it can be a small simple thing that they are trying to hide from you. It can be their insecurity, it can be their fear that this is ending or this is going down, but that they want to like talk to you about something that they are trying to sneak away from. They are trying to pretend that everything is fine, but it's not. Let's see what they want from this connection. Aquarius, the specific person on your mind, what they want from this connection. The Hierophant. They want this connection to be very stable, safe, secure. For some of you, they want commitment. For some of you, they want marriage. And if you guys are already married or committed to each other, they want this situation to be okay. This person wants this situation to be really, really beautiful and positive. Now, God, for like, I don't want, I don't think so. It's the truth for most of you, but if they are already married or committed to someone else and they are connected to you also, they don't want to leave that marriage at all. They want to stay in that marriage for whatever reason. Okay. So what they want from this situation is they want something solid, something committed, something long term. And if they're already married or committed to someone else, they want to stick around to that marriage. Let's see what are the blockages or challenges. What is the blockage or challenge in the situation that you need to be aware of? Eight of Wands, communication issues, communication gap or miscommunication or lack of communication, or maybe no communication that is creating more and more issues between you and them. So if you guys are giving each other silent treatment without resolving the root of the problem, it's never going to be resolved. It's always going to be like this only, up and down, on and off, in and out. You guys have to talk it out. You guys have to, if you guys are in a long distance thing, you have to meet each other. You guys have to like connect with each other on a heart and soul level, right? So communication is the issue between you guys. Okay, maybe one of you is not able to understand the other person, or whenever you try to communicate on a deeper level, one of you just runs away. Okay, let's see what your specific person thinks you think about them. Let's see, Aquarius, what your specific person thinks you think about them. Three of Swords. According to them, you think they are the reason of your pain, they are the reason of your hurt, and they keeps on hurting you again and again and again. Yep. According to them, you think they are the reason for your hurt and pain and problems and all the issues that you're facing in your relationship area. They are not able to come up with solutions. They are not able to like be on the same page with you, and that is creating the situation to go down in so many ways. So according to them, according to them, you think that they are the reason that the situation is going down, and they are the reason of your hurt and pain. Okay, let's see what could be the likely action from your specific person's side towards the situation by the end of this month, Taurus. Let's see likely action from the specific person on your mind till the end of this month. The magician, they will be manifesting something, they will be manifesting some kind of specific outcome out of this situation. I don't see them physically or energetically doing something about the situation, like going crazy and talking to you and maybe doing something in an aggressive way, but some kind of manifestation is going on behind the scenes. I just hope not manipulation, because magician can very well manipulate people into thinking that they are right and everyone else is not right or wrong. Right? So yep. So the likely action from their side is them trying to manifest something behind the scenes and not doing physically anything about the situation as of now between you and them. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation by the end of this month between you and them, Aquarius. We have the Knight of Swords, some kind of argument or some kind of rift or some kind of this energy of suddenly unexpectedly one of you, like out of the blue, one of you is going to be charging on the other person, because they are going to be like, enough is enough, now I have to do something about the situation, and they end up fighting with you. So the outcome here is fight, and one of you running away from the situation, not even looking back because this is too much to handle. Okay, this is the possible outcome for you guys for this situation till the end of this month. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this month, rest of this month, for this situation, Aquarius. We have the Ace of Wands. The guidance here is listen to your intuition as deeply as you can. Stay in touch with your intuition, don't go against it. If your intuition is telling you something is wrong, something is off about this person or this situation, try to listen to your intuition. And if your intuition is telling you to do something or not to do something, and you're getting it again and again and again, don't go against it. Hmm? Because it might not be a good idea. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.